Hi, Travis. How you doing? Okay, thank you for your written rationale, and thank you for submitting your work. Let's go ahead and jump over to the composition itself. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look. So we are, it's not a bad start at all. I think the image is beautiful. Really nice job. Those of you watching along, Travis was given permission to use a different kind of approach and being more of a resort located in the mountains as opposed to the beach. So, but I do want to address one thing, Travis. You say over here that beach isn't your thing. You like more rugged mountains. But as a designer, you kind of don't have that luxury of taking. I mean, if you want to be a designer, you kind of have to take the jobs that come along to you or are assigned to you in a studio. So I just want that to make sense. Okay, so if somebody, if one of your creative directors, your art director, a client, or excuse me, or other gives you an assignment for a beach, it's not really an option as a designer to say, I don't do the beach thing, so I'd rather do something else. You see what I'm saying? I hope that makes sense. But you were given permission, so all is well, right? All right, so the image looks great. The bottom of the image, I think the contact information and the logo are way too high in the composition. Let's get those nestled down here, okay? Contact information and then the logo, okay? And then what I would recommend is this, is we can pull the headline and the subhead down a little bit. Now, the first thing I notice as far as images go is that you don't have your masked image from assignment 2-1. Remember, that needs to be, that's a requirement. So that needs to be in the ad. Okay, also the type, you've got Arial bold for headline, but Arial bold italic for the subhead. I also wouldn't recommend center aligning your type. It's not most, it's usually not the most interesting thing. So I would left align the subhead and then the headline, then right underneath that left align the subhead, okay? And then I would include the body copy as you have left align right below that. Not close, but something like that. Okay, so the headline's a little too high in the composition, so let's go. Watch my cursor. So we got headline. Okay, you've got subhead right here, and then you have the body copy. All right, the body copy it's too text heavy. Really, folks don't really want to read a lot of body copy in an ad, especially when it's an ad with a gorgeous image. I mean, they're going to be consumed by the image, and then you want them to, right? An image is worth 1,000 words. So I would drastically reduce the body copy. So, but I definitely would keep this paragraph here. I would reduce this call to action to, just a few words. Okay, so you have headline, subhead, body copy, all left aligned, right? And then your call to action. And you can even place that down here somewhere away from the body copy. But I would definitely reduce the amount of text involved in that. All right. Other than that, I think you're looking good. So those would be my recommendations moving forward. So please feel free to let me know if you have any questions at all. Okay. Thank you very much.